A closer look 1. 5. Listen and underline the auxiliary verbs which are stressed. Then practice saying the sentences.
1. Life will be improved in those remote areas.
2. They can see the rain coming in from the west.
3. You did make me laugh.
4. He hasn't handed in his assignment.
5. I don't like the idea of going there at night.
6. Sam doesn't like fast food, but I do.
6. Underline an auxiliary if it is stressed. Then listen, check, and repeat the sentences.
1. The men in my village used to catch fish with a spear.
Could you do that?
No, I couldn't. 2. I have told you many times not to leave the door open. 3. We're going to visit Howick, a historical village. 4. You aren't going to the party. Is it because you can't dance?
I can dance. Look.
5. I hope she doesn't do any damage to the car.
Don't worry. She does know how to drive.